this is the box. It's cute. It's a box that I will keep. I'm getting excited like alone, like I'm not overreacting, which I do a lot, but not now. Wait for this. Wait for this. Okay, so I did something, which is buying more shoes, which I have a problem by now. But I got some Jordans, some sneakers drop Jordans. I got that. The thing is, I've been wanting Jordans for like a while now, and it's so hard to get them in a sneakers like website. Like, why is it so hard? Well, we kind of know why, but it's hard. And the other day I was working, and suddenly I see a notification, and I'm like, what is that? And it said, I'm not sure what it said. It said something like, Apricot Orange just for you. And I'm like, for me? Okay, sure. I clicked, and I saw that the Air Jordan 1 Mid Apricot Orange, I could buy them. And I was like, why? Because this was like Tuesday, and they came out on Thursday, and I was like, why can I buy this already? And up there it says exclusive access until all the stocks are gone. And I'm like, so I had pressure. The thing is, I own nothing Wormton, like nothing. For example, you see there, what do you see Wormton? Nothing. There's like a pop of red, but it's bright red. I just nothing. If you see there, nothing. So I was like, what do I do? Exclusive, difficult to get. So at the end I was like, well, I might as well buy them, and now I'm gonna unbox them. Laura is still working. I could not wait for her. I'm sorry, I'm just too excited, but at the same time I don't know what to expect because they are really cute. But of me, that we don't know. And I've been planning outfits in my mind with clothes that I don't own, just because of the show. So there's that. So I'm gonna show it to you now. I'm unboxing it. I haven't seen them yet, so I needed coffee. I just came from work. Yes. So let's do this. I'm gonna show you first the box. I mean, it's just a box that is upside down, but we'll just pretend it's fine. I need some. These will have to work. I wanna be like so me trying to find this when actually here you can open. Oh my god, yes. Ta-da! So this is the box. It's cute. It's a box that I will keep if I keep the shoes. I have a size 8, and it's like a 39 in Europe, which is what we use here basically. I don't know if I should show you first. Let's see. I mean, obviously I knew that would happen. The thing is, oh my god, they are so cute. Wait. I'm getting excited like alone, like wait for this. Wait for this. I'm not overreacting, which I do a lot, but not now. Wait, they are so cute. Wait, what if they don't fit? This is the first time buying these shoes. What if, oh my god, wait. They are so cute. But see, they are so worn down. And I have nothing worn down, but they are so cute. Well, I have an obsession with shoes, and I'm not sorry about it. My bank account is crying every day, but yes. So, ta-da! Wait, they are so cute. You see? I'm going to sound close that for you guys. Oh my god. Oh. Well, time to feed them. Let's pray.
I'm trying to show you guys the best that I can.
So guys, I have them on now, and they are so cute, like so cute. I love them. Yes. Now I need to find more outfit that is not just full black for this, and I will try my best, and if I can, I will make some videos as a challenge for this. But I might give you a tip for this, because the size fits perfectly. I chose the same size I use for the bench, same size, and it fits perfectly, because for Converse I use 38. Let me check just in case for you guys. Yeah, I use a 38 with Converse, and one of my friends has some shoes like this, and she was like, I would go like a size up for the Jordans, and I was like, oh, are you sure? And she was like, yeah, go a size up for sure. And she said that normally she wears the same one as Ben's, so I did the same, because Converse is 38, Ben's is 39, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna try 39, because the thing is, it goes from 39 to 40, so there's no half. But because in like there's 38, 38 and a half, 39, and then 40. So I was like, 40 is too much for sure, so I have to go for 39. And yes, it's a perfect size for real, and they fit so comfortable. Yes, I really like them, because normally I always wear like shoes with platform, because for example the Vans that I have are also with platform, because I think it suits better my like body. But actually this makes the legs like longer. I don't know, I just like them a lot. Obviously they are the first ones that I have, so I don't know, I have no experience wearing them, but for now I'm gonna tell you that I really like them. The details are so pretty, all of them. And yes, if you can, just try to get some. Ting! I'm so annoying, I'm so sorry. I just get excited over shoes all the time. So yes, there's that. As I said before, if you guys want me to film a video challenging myself to style this, because I've been thinking about it a lot. I plan to buy more like white pants maybe. I mean, now spring and summer is coming, so I think it will be easier to find things like that to work with this. Maybe just orange tops or something like that, because I'm a full black person, help. But yes, and if you have any like questions about the shoes or anything like that, just let me know down below in the comments, and I will try to answer them if I know. They're there. So sorry for the fast video. Actually, I was like expecting them next week, so when I saw them I was like, I can't wait, so I filmed this really fast. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I can bring you more unboxings more professionally than this, because I was like, oh my god, yes, open this now. I still have the coffee, see, and it's cold by now. Well, whatever. The thing is, subscribe, like, and I will leave the Instagram down below, mine, Laura's, and the one that we have together. And with all that said, see ya, bye bye.